What if everything you've been told about growing on YouTube is completely wrong? For years, you've been chasing thumbnails, titles, algorithms, and luck, all while the real winners quietly moved ahead using something else entirely. You see, YouTube was never just a platform, it's a system. And every system has shortcuts, the kind hidden in plain sight, waiting for those bold enough to look closer. Creators spend endless nights editing, posting, and praying for views, yet success slips through their fingers like water. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. The secret few have discovered a different rhythm, one that bends time, multiplies reach, and turns effort into results. They don't chase the algorithm, they command it. Imagine uploading a video at lunch and waking up the next morning to find it's gone viral. No budget. No team. Just you and a simple AI-driven workflow that does in hours what others spend weeks on. It sounds impossible until you see it work. And when it does, you'll never look at hard work the same way again. Because the game isn't about who grinds hardest. It's about who learns the system. The truth is, YouTube's reset button has already been pressed. Old-school channels cling to outdated rules while small creators are rising fast, powered by automation that amplifies creativity instead of replacing it. The new creators aren't overwhelmed, they're orchestrating growth like conductors leading a digital symphony. And soon, you'll be one of them. What if I told you that while you're spending 12 hours editing a single video, top creators are publishing daily content without touching a timeline? The YouTube game changed overnight, and most creators are still playing by yesterday's rules. Right now, artificial intelligence is secretly powering the channels you admire most, and if you don't adapt immediately, you'll watch your competitors vanish into the distance. Here's what nobody talks about. The creators pulling millions of views aren't superhuman. They're not working harder than you. They've simply cracked a code that transforms content creation from exhausting labor into systematic success. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. While you're burning out trying to keep up, they're scaling effortlessly using tools that most people don't even know exist. Let me paint you a picture of what's really happening behind the scenes. Remember that channel that suddenly exploded from 50,000 to 2 million subscribers in 6 months? They didn't hire a massive team or discover some magical formula. They integrated AI into every step of their workflow, turning content creation into a predictable, repeatable system. The first revolution is happening in ideation. Traditional creators spend hours brainstorming, researching trends, and hoping they pick winning topics. Smart creators are feeding AI systems their niche, audience data, and performance metrics. Within minutes, they receive detailed video concepts complete with titles, thumbnails and content outlines that are scientifically optimized for their specific audience. These aren't generic suggestions. These are data-driven predictions based on what will actually perform. But here's where it gets interesting. The script writing phase that used to consume entire days is now happening in real-time collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Creators input their core message, target audience, and desired outcome. The AI generates comprehensive scripts that maintain their unique voice while incorporating psychological triggers, retention hooks, and engagement patterns that keep viewers glued to screens. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. Think about thumbnail creation. You know those eye-catching thumbnails that make you click every time? Many top creators aren't designing those anymore. They're using AI systems that analyze millions of successful thumbnails, understand color psychology, facial expressions, and text placement. These systems generate dozens of thumbnail variations instantly, then predict which ones will achieve the highest click-through rates before the video even goes live. The editing revolution is perhaps the most dramatic change. While you're spending weekends color correcting and adding transitions, automated systems are handling the technical heavy lifting. AI can now identify the most engaging moments in raw footage, create dynamic cuts, add appropriate music, generate captions, and even suggest B-roll footage. What used to require professional editing skills now happens with simple voice commands. But automation goes deeper than individual videos. Smart creators are building entire content ecosystems that run themselves. They're using AI to repurpose single pieces of content across multiple platforms automatically. One long-form video becomes 20 short clips, 5 podcast episodes, 10 social media posts, and 3 blog articles, all optimized for their respective platforms without human intervention. The analytics game has completely transformed. Instead of guessing why videos succeed or fail, AI systems provide precise insights about audience retention, emotional response patterns, and optimization opportunities. These systems identify exactly which moments viewers drop off, what topics generate the most engagement, and which presentation styles resonate with specific audience segments. Here's what separates the winners from the losers in this new landscape. It's not about replacing human creativity with robots. The most successful creators are using AI as a creative amplifier. They're maintaining their authentic voice and unique perspective while leveraging artificial intelligence to handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that drain creative energy. The creators who resist this shift are already falling behind. While they're debating whether AI-assisted content is authentic, their competitors are publishing more frequently, targeting audiences more precisely, and scaling their operations beyond what manual processes could ever achieve. Consider the multiplication effect. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. A creator using traditional methods might produce 2 quality videos per week. A creator leveraging AI automation can maintain the same quality while producing daily content across multiple formats. That's not just a competitive advantage. That's a complete transformation of what's possible. The barrier to entry has also shifted dramatically. You don't need expensive equipment or years of technical training anymore. AI tools are democratizing professional-level content creation. A beginner with the right systems can produce content that rivals established creators who are still doing everything manually. But here's the crucial insight that most people miss. This isn't about the technology itself. It's about the mindset shift from creator to systematic content entrepreneur. The most successful creators stopped thinking about individual videos and started building scalable content machines. The shortcut isn't a myth. It's real, it's proven, and it's sitting right in front of you, hidden only by disbelief. Once you see how automation rewrites the rules of creation, you'll never play the old game again. The window for adaptation is closing rapidly. Every day you delay implementing these systems, your competitors gain ground that becomes harder to recover. The creators who embrace AI automation now will dominate their niches for years to come. The choice is simple but urgent. You can either evolve with the platform or watch it evolve past you. The tools exist today. The knowledge is available. The only question remaining is whether you'll take action before your competition makes the decision for you. Your YouTube future depends on what you do next. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.